who are not in from this industry, we are not able to. I forgot what I was saying. What did I say just now?
Hi everyone, my name is Damien. I'm a Wealth Advisory Director and I'm 42 years young this year.
Yeah, I'm Christina and I'm also a financial advisor.
So as we enter the house, on our very left you will see the hall, and right in front of you you see the dining area. So this is where most of the fun happens. As we continue walking down the corridor, on our right is a kitchen, and it's spacious enough for our day-to-day use. Now as we enter the house further, on the left is our master bedroom, and on the right is the common bathroom. We actually had a very clear request with Boon and he made it happen, and that was to move in before the year was over.
Actually, we don't, at least for me, I'm not sure about him, I didn't have any requests other than one thing, wainscoting. Maybe I was looking for Victorian theme, but not over the top. So that's what came out of it, and we are really very pleased with the outcome.
Absolutely.
I like wainscoting, and this idea was inspired by all my travels throughout the years, and I realized that I'm most drawn to Victorian or European style.
My favorite spot in the house is where we are sitting right now. So I enjoy this spot, the sofa, as well as the dining table, because that's where my wine is.
As for myself, it's the opposite of his place. Mine would be my bedroom. How the bedroom came about was also from one of my travels, and I realized that, oh, this would be the kind of bedroom that I envisioned to have, and it came to life. So initially he gave me just 2 shelvings, and I told him that probably wasn't enough. So now I have 3 shelvings, and the shelvings are not shallow, it's actually quite deep. I could put more than just 1 bag. We also have a very interesting sound booth in the bedroom.
Initially, because this place was smaller, and we were trying to fit a lot of things in, including a king-size bed.
I would love my vanity, very nice shaker doors as drawers.
So we had the frame TV, and we wanted something with a soft touch. We were used to having a carpet on the floor.
So I was looking for shaker doors for all my cabinets to fit the wainscoting design. What does a home means to me? It's a place where I can unwind and completely be myself, together with my kids, the good, the bad, everything together, and no judgment. It's a safe haven for all of us.